What's up with that smelly asparagus pee? If your urine smells lousy, it may be a sign of something wrong. What's the deal? Hey guys, this is Dr. Heps. Does your urine smell lousy? Terrible? What's that all about? We're going to go over some of the more common things that can change the odor and smell of your urine. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the videos to go over some bottom line pearls. Your urine should have minimal odor, should be fairly crystal clear in a healthy urinary tract. If the color changes significantly or if the odor persistently is lousy, it may be a sign of something wrong. Some foods, such as asparagus, can cause the urine to smell lousy. Just as a fun fact, there's this thing called asparagusic acid that's only in asparagus. When it's metabolized in our body, it releases these sulfur compounds. You pee it out and it makes our urine smell stinky. If you have that stinky asparagus urine, just stay hydrated, drink lots of fluids. It should wash out within a few hours. If your urine smells and you can't blame the asparagus, it could be something else. It could be a sign of some sort of problem, infection. So the main culprit that causes urine to smell is dehydration. Most folks just don't drink enough fluid. There's been some studies that say if you drink at least 1.5 liters of fluid, you'll be less likely to have any urinary tract problems. So a solution to a strong odor to the urine is just to stay hydrated. 1.5 liters is a good guideline, but it's really up to you. And as long as your urine smells minimal and is clear, you know your urinary tract can be fairly healthy. Another thing that can cause urine to smell lousy is infection. Infection causes a breakdown of bacteria and the bladder lining, and these toxins can combine to produce a strong and foul-smelling odor. If this is the case, your urine will likely change color potentially. It may burn when you pee, and it's fairly easy to see your primary care or urologist, and we can diagnose it without significant testing. Bottom line is there's things such as foods, dehydration, infection, and sometimes blood can all cause your urine to smell different. So best thing you can do is hydrate. Drink at least 1.5 liters of water daily. If the smell doesn't wash out and you're staying hydrated, you need to get checked out. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe.